I'm sure they can see what we got going on today.
We got a 30,000 pound cabin cruiser that bottomed out on the boat ramp trying to put her in, which is, this ramp sucks. So it's not surprising in the least that this happened here. So we're gonna try and get him drug up and out. And hopefully it all goes well. Maybe find him a different ramp to go to. This one's a difficult one to put a boat this big in. Do you have any ability to try and help me?
I got the power glider in, but I think, can you pull more at this instead of dragging you sideways? Because I ain't going to be able to help you too much until I get weight.
Yeah, I think we're more of a forward than a sideways angle, so it should come if you give just a little bit of help. Or at least just, you have your brakes set right now? Your truck brakes?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Get in there and get ready to hit your foot pedal. Just release your truck brakes. Okay.
Right now it's released.
Okay.
But I ain't going to go nowhere because I'm home.
All right, I got your fifth wheel loaded up. Go ahead and let off the brake. You got it, it's all you. Keep coming, keep coming. Right there, you're good, you're on land. That's good.
Oh, that was quick.
Well, the easy part's done.
Short little video.
How far is Green Turtle Bay?
Uh,
I mean, I've been there a bunch of times. They recommend me all the time for travel,
Yeah.
transport stuff. I get back out on 68, run 68, 24.
yeah, it's not horrible. I think it's like an hour. Worth it to not have to deal with this. Yeah, about 45 minutes. But well, you can't go up the way it wants you to go, so probably about an hour.
Yeah,
you can't go up the
out and
trace.
get 24,
Yeah.
run 24.
Yeah, you can either run 24 or take 68 to Aurora and then go up 68 through Draftonville. But I would take I-24.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I brought a 54 out of Missouri, and that's the way Kentucky had me right.
Yeah.
All through there and everything, and up 68 here and shit.
Yeah.
I was tall, hell.
Yeah, with this being axles at the rear, I think your best ramp would be Green Turtle Bay and just float her down here. Is he docking
I
here?
can get them to pick it.
Yeah, is he docking here? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So boat-wise, what's he talking about? Like boat motoring from Green Turtle Bay to here, hour, 2 hours.
Probably in this.
'Cause I'm not too thrilled on going sideways down that ramp.
Yeah, I'm not either. I'm just, it's if you absolutely had to, it could be done, but yeah, it'd probably be about an hour to float it down here. I would strongly recommend him do it. And the other problem too, like I said, with this storm coming in, I'm almost useless here in 20 minutes when lightning starts flashing. So
Yeah. The other thing I was thinking is like it detach and then.
be able to raise it and dump it in, yeah.
Yeah, and raise it. You raise that neck up towards that eye center.
Yeah.
You'd be able to put them in.
The only problem is
and then pull back out.
I raise them up.
Because I don't have any brakes.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't have any spring brakes.
I noticed it's all pancakes back there. But here's the other problem. If I raise the neck up and all the weight transfers to the rear, I have no way to stop it from continuing to go up. Because I can't sling it off my boom, right? I'd have to use my underlift, and it's only so tall.
Oh, that
Yeah.
don't go as high as
It'd go high enough to sling the trailer, but if the trailer tried to go up, everything on that is designed to hold stuff like from going down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
So- It's only, you know,
When I was, I mean, we go to different ramps and everything
Yeah,
like that. At marinas, and they're grabbing. I mean, they take the neck way up.
yeah,
They don't high center, and they go.
yeah,
in.
and roll it down, yeah, and then bring it back out, yeah. That just doesn't have the lift on it.
Right.
It's barely got enough lift to sling a regular trailer, you know, and then I only got like a foot or two. I won't have enough to go at that angle.
And then, I mean, you're on the cable,
Yeah,
but I mean
that would just be a safety. The only thing I can do there is keep it from going in the lake. But I can't sling off the tip of the boom. It's not made for that at all. It's a fantastic way to destroy $1 million truck. Yeah.
Yeah.
Real quick, fast, and in a hurry.
All right. Well.
Yeah, I would say I worked here for a long time, and I would say that we used to push people to go to Green Turtle Bay to launch boats this big when I worked here.
I've been there.
Yeah. And like you said, they can lift the boat and set it in the water for you. Yeah. I think that's the better and more feasible option.
Right.
Look at this. All my stuff actually works now.
Oh my
Thank you.
goodness. It
It's
actually
raining
works.
pretty good.
What?
It's raining pretty good.
I know.
All my stuff works. My remote works. Everything's working now. I got lucky, and me and Matthew attended. Bro, you can let it go. I'll hold it right here. We attended the ringleaders class or rotator school for Miller, and got to talk to some good guys from Miller up there who were able to actually come down to our facility and update my truck. So my remote works right. It hasn't froze up on me since they updated it. Everything's working exactly like it should. So I want to thank Miller for that. I no longer have any complaints at this time. See, look at that, everything's working. It's working. Well, nothing cool on this one. Simple winch out. When the call came in, I was slightly concerned because the way it was relayed to me was that he was in the water and dropped the trailer off the end of the boat ramp.
That's how it was relayed to me too.
And that was going to be a doozy. But luckily we got here and it's not a doozy. So I'm glad, because I really didn't want to mess with the boat ramp knowing this storm was coming in, because I can't put my boom up. So that's cool. All right, outriggers are up. That can go.
It is getting breezy.
It is, yeah, that wind picked up quick. The only downfall to this job being so simple is I didn't get to do nothing cool.
And I was expecting more.
I love the drag winch though. I mean, the drag winch is like, there's a reason Miller calls it your money winch. It is such a useful piece of equipment to have on the truck. I don't know what we ever did before drag winches. Oh, wait, I know. You can go back and look at the videos and watch me go, man, I wish I had a drag winch. So yeah, it was a pretty simple one, just a 1/2-inch grade 100 chain, had him give me a little help. And it ain't thrown out of there. I think I knocked the hook off, yep. Oh. That would have made me mad if I didn't notice it. Look at the wind. Of course, now it doesn't want to. All right, cool. We're going to get out of here. Get out of this wind. Thank you guys for watching. That's a quick one. This is going to be posted on a random day of the week. And you're going to be like, man, that was a quick video. Story of my life. Okay, bye.